But are we playing in teams?
In teams.
Okay. Okay. So we'll both keep flipping. किसी का तो
You're
लगेगा.
gonna go down.
She's the only one who knows the answer. But can she? Oh, yes. Oh my God! This was amazing. Okay, you didn't win.
I would like to say Bon Jovi, Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi, Bon Jovi. Yeah.
I want to say that from Robbie ki party, we have come to Rohini ki party.
Oh,
Yeah.
क्या बात है? It's been 30 years to DDLJ this year in 2025, and it's a DDLJ Diwali for us at Just to Film Me. I've had a really great time with my panelists, but hey, how well do they remember the DDLJ? You're about to find out because this is the ultimate DDLJ quiz. Come, fall in play. On my right, we've got Team Raj! And that is, of course, Raj himself, Shah Rukh Khan. That is Ashish Shakya and Simran, both of you. And on my left, we've got Team Bauji. So, guys, the way this works is I'm going to ask a question, and you guys have cups in front of you. Now, either of you have to flip the cup. Okay, only if it lands correctly, then you can answer. So you could know the answer, but you can't give the answer. आप दोनों में से, and each But are of we you playing in teams?
In teams.
Okay. Okay. So we'll both keep flipping. किसी का तो
You're
लगेगा.
gonna go
किसी का तो
down.
लगेगा. She rewatched the film last night.
Yeah. And he knows it without having watched it last night.
Yeah, then he can flip a cup.
Oh.
He just said that Fikri, Shah Rukh and all he started with. So I don't know if I would.
He's just flipping a cup.
Okay, guys, let's go. People are very serious about this game. Question 1. मुझे बताइए, what does Simran buy at the train station where she misses her train for Zurich? Simran, Manvi.
Yeah, the cowbell.
The cowbell is the right answer! 1 point to Team Raj. All right, Team Bauji, all the best. Our next question. Where does Raj say he is staying when he meets Kuljit for the first time? Hey, he flipped it, yes.
I'm not able to
You can you don't remember.
Continue to, I know the answer if he can't answer. No, but he.
But flip it first.
करना यार, शाक्या क्या कर रहा है? अबे यार.
Oh, no.
No, we'll get this. We'll get this. I have a vague memory.
If he's passing, then it should automatically come to us.
Okay, ma'am.
Pass, na?
pass.
District House.
So close. Oh, no. So close. I will just put it down to her being on one of the sides of the spectrum, but it is Circuit House.
Circuit House.
Circuit House.
Circuit House.
What
Yeah.
is
District House? Yeah.
Circuit House.
House.
We'll give it to her.
Circuit
2
House.
points. 2 points
Gen Z
Team
and
Raj.
Boomer.
1 point
Just
Team. No, 0 points for Team Bauji. Okay, all the best.
2 points, she didn't get the second point.
Of course she did. She just told us. But then it's very
house को इसी house में तो रहेगा ही.
ये लोग मुझे डांट रहे.
चलो ठीक है.
Okay, we'll see. If it comes to a tie, then this won't count. Otherwise, I'm two. We are two.
All the rules here.
All right, let's have the third question. This is also a Raj geography question. Where does Raj say he lives, as in his actual address, when Chutki asks him, where in London do you stay, Raj?
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Abhi, yaar, I know this.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
We have both of them.
We have flipped it.
We
Oh, no. Oh, shit, sorry.
Abhi, yaar, guys, it's all our territory. Oh, so close.
Abhi, yaar.
All about too many chances.
She lives in South.
Give us the answer
You know
now.
this?
Hampstead.
Yes!
He was really waiting.
I know this. I live in Hampstead.
Yeah.
Our next question, 3 points to Team Raj, 0 points to Team Bauji, but Team Bauji back up. Okay. Our next question. सगाई की अंगूठी इस उंगली पर क्यों पहनी जाती है अकॉर्डिंग टू सिमरन? मैम आप कहाँ?
3 hours later.
Some
Oh, you got
nesting.
it.
Some
You got
nesting.
it. Yes.
Yeah, the Nas
Yeah.
was your
Like the
lifeline.
rapper
Nas
Nas.
is
Oh,
around
I got
the
it, I
thing.
got it.
You know it. I'm correct.
If you can't-
मैंने कर दिया answer.
नहीं तो some nothing बोल के
Some nothing is already
आपने भी तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट हाउस किया
हाँ, that's true.
तो मैं
मुझे भी
I'm
मिलना
willing
चाहिए
to
आधा point.
forego that point अगर ये नस थी
Can we answer better?
Yeah.
No.
If
Why?
we have a better
because
answer.
it's the whole
Wait.
vein running through it.
And where does it go?
To the lifeline.
No,
To the heart. To the heart.
Campus.
Jawab.
Yeah.
To the heart.
So,
To the heart.
क्योंकि
That's
इस
close.
उंगली
The
की
nut is
नस
important.
इस उंगली की नस सीधे दिल तक
got
जाती
three
है.
of
But ये also I think at this
Yes,
point
yes,
you should
sure.
tell people कि ये anatomically गलत है.
Okay, next question. चुटकी के टीचर का क्या नाम था? Nobody's flipping a cup.
I think I know.
She's the only one who knows the answer. But can she? Oh, yes.
Miss Lucy.
Oh my God!
Oh, this
This was
impressive.
amazing.
This was impressive.
First
ये तो
she-
genius नहीं, indie genius है.
You're not a genius, sir. Indigenous.
First she flipped the cup. So she did two things.
I'm
She also
telling
flipped
you
the
guys,
cup.
I was chutki when I saw the like I used to relate with that.
All right, guys. Last question. कितने बनाए इन्होंने?
4.
और इनको एक. ठीक है. So we know who's won already.
Who won hearts?
But
But the
now,
last question is 5 points.
but now we're fighting for second place. Okay, so all the best.
the last question is 5
it's
points.
5 points.
That's
Okay.
5 points. Okay, ready?
Damn, bro.
All the best, guys.
Snitch वाली हरकत हो गई है तो.
What was Karan Johar's character's name in DDLJ?
अरे
Sabotage.
Hey, you guys, I don't know the answer. I know the nickname.
हाँ nickname ना.
Nickname ना.
What? Idiot.
Ponchi.
Ponchi, but what's his name?
Ponchi Kumar.
है उसका.
Ponchi
मतलब
Malhotra.
नहीं, he can't be Malhotra.
Ponchi
I know.
good.
Ponchi's good. Ponchi's good.
Ponchi's good, but
I know in the thing where they get the marks in the first
Yes.
whatever that's
The graduation.
तीनों के नाम announce होते हैं. I don't think the dean calls him Ponchi, so I'm
So Ponchi,
blanking.
unless we get a better answer
Yeah,
from
that's-
them. है ना?
Yeah, and I don't think we're going to. I'm flipping for fun now.
बताओ.
Was he called Karan?
No.
Did they call him Karan?
Good.
Good try.
No, it
That's a
could
good
be.
try.
Age
Good
of-
try. That's a good try. Oh, can I guess for fun?
Yeah.
I don't know. Was he called Adi? The same way.
Oh, nice. Well, let's just say congratulations to Team Raj. Because Dilwale Dulhania le gaye. Once again, 30 saal baad. Well played, guys. I think they were very fun
कि हम
questions.
जीतेंगे.
But they don't care. The answer to the last question was Rocky.
Oh. No, wasn't Rocky the other guy?
No.
The three of
The
them.
other, the
No.
muscular,
Yeah,
dumb
who was
guy.
the muscular guy?
No, that his name was something else.
He's also
He
like a big
directed.
first.
He directed
yeah.
Neil and Nikki. Yes. Yeah, he's a director.
Yeah, he was also director.
The original
But anyway.
Befikre.
Siddharth Anand.
Could be Rocky, doesn't matter. The point is, I hope you had a great
Fetish
time.
has to stop.
Could be Rocky, doesn't matter, because I hope that you had a great time watching this episode. We had a great time putting it together, and I hope you guys had a great time revisiting one of our greatest films, which is DDLJ. Any closing comments, guys? What is one dialogue you want to sign off with?
I want to say that from Robbie ki party, we have come to Rohini ki party. We had a great time.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. I want to say बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं, Sonorita.
Yes.
So in case you feel like, hey, you didn't win
I would like to say Bon Jovi, Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi, Bon Jovi. Yeah.
Oh, damn, bro. नहीं
मैं नहीं
all
आऊँगा,
the-
just say मैं नहीं आऊँगा.
मैं नहीं आऊँगा.
This is great. मैम,
Please बाबूजी.
मैंने कहा था ना.
मेरी खुशी के लिए मेरी जिंदगी से आप मुझे 1 महीना नहीं दे सकते. Please बाबूजी. Sorry, that's okay.
Thanks, guys. See you next time. DDLJ Diwali! It's been 30 years of DDLJ, so I thought it'd be fun to say that if we had to remake it today, who would we cast? For the girl, I think. Oh shit! I meant. So Ahan and Aneet for this generation.
Please.
तू बता कि ट्रेन पे कौन खड़ा है, कौन दिख रहा है तेरे को? जो हाथ धर है
शाहरुख ही दिख रहा है ना? And that is, I think, the point. अगर DDLJ remake
वही
है
तो
तो
बोलो,
शाहरुख को ही
शाहरुख
बनाओ।
दिखता है।
I'm okay doing like being Raj being Aryan and Simran being me.
You know,
Oh,
what is a romance that your generation like has really taken?
I would actually want to think about that because I
Feels fair enough.